Welcome. Let's have a look at the universal battery charger, and this has an LCD display right here, and you can move these pins. These are your plus and negative pins for any battery. This is adjustable. It comes out quite a long ways like this. Okay, and then on the back, this is where you're going to connect to your AC power. So I'm going to demonstrate it with the Samsung battery here. It's connected. So when you're connecting it for the first time, you're going to see the LCD display right here. The way you would charge your battery, cell phone battery, just find the minus and plus symbols on the battery, and you're just simply going to maneuver these pins and insert the battery to get it to, they are going to lock into place. You just push that out, align your pins, you're just going to push the battery in. Now it's locked into place, and then it's going to start charging the battery. This battery is mostly drained, so you see the bars right here, and it gives you the percentages: 25, 50, 75, and then 100%. So when you're 100%, you're ready to reinstall your battery on your phone. But let's take a look at a different battery, and this is interesting because it does have, the battery has some notches right here. So it's different type of batteries. This is for a digital camera. You see these notches here, but what's interesting is it does have space up on the top in order for that to fit. So let's just maneuver the pins, and we're going to locate the plus and minus sign once again. Okay, now that you have the battery in place, the notches are inside there, and the pins are on the plus and the negative. And you can see that the battery is about 50% charged, so we're good, and we're just going to wait till it gets to the 100 mark, and then you'll be ready to go. But another good thing about this charger is you can also charge other things like your phone, because it does have a USB port on the side. Connect that, and we can see that it's going to charge the phone via the USB connection there. Besides the cell phone connected, you can also charge a office light, which I have one here for your desk, and there you go. You see how it's going to charge or power your light however you need it. So overall, I think it's a very nice little charger. It fits in your pocket, and this part does go in, so whenever you need it for different types of batteries, this charger can do all of these.